you should do it because you want to take care of yourself. You want to be able to live longer and enjoy life better.
What's up? Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hit the like button, subscribe, share to your friends.
Thank you. What's up guys? Good morning! So I'm here at Shangri-La and I'm going to go to Papa P. Yung hair ko, grabe na. I love it. I love my hairstyle though. So I'll be updating you later. Hello guys! I'm with Sir Carlo. Kalami Cebu. Nagkita na sa Nwe. Asa taran sir? Nasad.
Maon mig utang.
Sunugan juga ni Sir Carlo guys, super grabe. Ready na kayo?
Ironman makeup challenge mo sige.
Mudagan ka sir? Dili mada. Guys, Sir Myong, dalibi. Oh, with her wife. Asan na? Guys, I'm here na sa preska ng Sunlife. Preska ni Papa P with Sunlife. And I'm having my food. Tingnan yung food ko, guys. Sarap.
Utang. Ang ako man si Cykaniki. Maniki utang guys. Hi guys, yan na mag-makeup ka noon. At ang makeup is ang pichay. Maniki na utang.
Ironman has always been a great venue for us to promote our health and wellness thrust. And I'm proud to share that majority of our team is composed of our executives, our employees, and of course, our very own brand ambassador, Mr. Piolo Pascual. This is a team that's made up of all professional triathletes and returning Ironman participants. We will be right there cheering you all on. Thank you and good afternoon.
So why are we all about health and wellness? So basically, just to share, the purpose of Sunlife globally is not only to provide lifetime financial security, as Benedict mentioned earlier, but also to help our clients and Filipinos live healthier lives.
So I just want to encourage all the athletes, to not give up and just like me, I always persevere, I always try to train, even if I'm so busy with work. I make time for this because just like what Mr. Benedict said, you gotta walk the talk. So on that note, I'd like to, of course, thank most of the people from Cebu because they're really, when you go out to race, they're out there. Even the students sometimes, when we first started here, they were in uniforms. They were mandated to attend and just to cheer on the athletes. So I look forward to that, going to different cities in Cebu to be able to meet and hopefully shake hands with them. So I look forward to seeing you all on Sunday. And let's cheer everyone on.
I want to do it because I feel better with that sport. I get healthier with that sport, and I inspire people with that sport.
Yeah, I think it's more of having a goal in your mind para you wake up and then if you're far from it or if you're not doing it, you're going towards it.
Yeah, working towards something.
Yeah, something. Yeah. If it's clear, then yeah, you get motivated regardless if you're feeling.
For me, I started really taking care of myself when I became part of show business. But it should be, there should be, what do you call this? You have to inspire yourself, you have to motivate yourself because of what you do. For me, it's part of my lifestyle. It's not just about wanting to be fit, wanting to be well, but it should be part of your daily routine. So it doesn't get in the way. It's not as if you have to do it just because you want to do it. You should do it because you want to take care of yourself. You want to be able to live longer and enjoy life better. To work, of course, but to be able to provide time, it's proper time management. And Yeah, I guess you want to enjoy life better, so you want to sweat it out. You want it to be part of your lifestyle. So it's not really big of a deal to have to wake up earlier for workout.
But when it comes to triathlon, it's always been something that I've been actually thinking about trying. I mean, it's my second time coming as a fan to support. Pero I mean, being in this room, being like hearing all these like motivational things right now, I feel like I want to do something like this. And I think the most important thing is to surround yourself with people to kind of motivate you, which is perfect. I mean, my dad does that to me. So
what we do is, I myself wake up really early every morning and just to do that routine. And again, it's a lifestyle. So it becomes natural for me to wake up every morning and do one discipline.
Sobrang bonding.
What's up? Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hit the like button, subscribe, share to your friends.
We're going home na guys, si Harvey! Subscribe to his channel! Link down below. Grabe yung mga travel and food adventure ha. Amazing! Hi guys! So we're done at the press con of Sunlife. Super guwapo ni Inigo and Piolo Pascual. Oh my God! Mami M, saka pa-picture kanila.
Yes!
Wow. We're here right now guys at Amoma Learning Center and we're super late. So see you there.